Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, I will talk about flowchart. What is a flowchart? How to draw a flowchart? And I will be sharing one drawing tool for flowchart. Let's begin with flowchart. A flowchart is a type of diagram that presents a flow or process. A flowchart can also be defined as a diagrammatic or pictorial representation of an algorithm. A flowchart shows step-by-step approach to solve a task. Now, let's understand about common flowchart symbols. Flowcharts use special shapes to represent different types of actions or steps in a process. Here, you can see lines, arrows. These show the sequence of the steps and the relationship among them. These are known as flowchart symbols. So let's begin with the first symbol, that is oval shape. This represents start and end. Number 2 is arrows or line. It is a connector that shows relationships between shapes. Number 3 is parallelogram. This represents input and output. Number 4 is rectangle shape. This represents a process. And last, number 5 is diamond shape. This represents a decision. A diamond indicates a decision. So these are the common flowchart symbols. Next step, let's draw a simple process flowchart to understand basic idea of process. Let's get started. For this, open your browser. Here I am sharing one drawing tool that is called as draw.io. This is a flowchart maker and online diagram software with the help of which you can draw different kinds of diagrams. It is very handy and has user-friendly interface. When you start with this software, the first option is to save your diagram. Here are different options where you can save your diagram. I will choose device. You can also choose drive. Next option is to choose create new diagram or to choose open existing diagram. If you are new to the software, you can choose create new diagram. And if you have an existing diagram, you can even open that existing diagram and draw your diagrams. Here I will choose create new diagram. On the top, give title for your file. Next step, choose type of file. For this, choose second option, that is editable bitmap image with .png extension. On this window towards left panel, there are different types of diagrams option available. For example, basic, business, charts, cloud, tables, UML, when, and others. Under basic, there are 9 diagrams available. The 9 diagrams under basic are class diagram, flowchart, entity relationship diagram, and others. Or you can choose blank diagram to draw a diagram from scratch. If you are new to my channel, do check out other videos available on this software, that is draw.io. Link is given in the description box. I have shared videos on draw.io software where I have shared how to draw diagrams from scratch and as well as with the help of this sample diagrams. Do check out that videos. In this video, we are talking about flowchart and we want to draw a diagram on flowchart. You can draw flowchart with the help of the sample flowchart available, or you can even choose blank diagram to draw from scratch. In this video, I will be sharing from scratch. For that, I will choose blank diagram, or if you want to choose sample, you can even choose sample diagram and start drawing your diagram. So what is the use of this sample diagram? The sample diagrams available in this software helps you to draw diagram quickly with less time with few changes. So here I will choose blank diagram and click on create option. Choose location of your file. Click on save option. So while saving your file, choose .png type of file. Now let's draw a simple flowchart. Towards the left panel, you can see different options available. Here I will choose flowchart. Under flowchart, I need different types of symbols like arrow, oval, rectangle, parallelogram. Let's get started. First shape is start. Next, choose arrow. Choose different symbols as per requirement of your diagram. As in this, I have selected oval, shape, arrow, rectangle, diamond shape, and delay shape, which are used in flowchart. You can use any type of arrows. You can use this type of connector or this type of connector. Use line or arrows which acts as connector between different shapes. Now let's add text. To add text, select shape and double click. Type your text. select and double click. To add extra text, click on Arrange, click Insert and use Text option to add extra text. Double click to add text. This is a flowchart of morning alarm. This shows the flow of the diagram. Towards the right panel, you can see more features of draw.io. Under diagram, different options are available. Into style, there are different style available. You can choose as per your desire. Click on File and click Save to save the file. You can even share this. Further, you can copy this. As this is saved on my desktop, you can copy this image and paste on any location you want. For this, right click and click on copy option and you can paste on other file. For example, I will open one Word file and paste on a Word file. This is all about flowchart. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, like this video and let me know your thoughts in the comments box below. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.